Over 500 million people enjoy our public lands each year. We enjoy such luxuries, in large part, due to the sacrifices made by our armed forces. Unfortunately, many of our vets struggle upon their return with something as simple as basic lack of housing. But you can help. Just visit HeroSoapCompany.com and place your order using coupon code BADGE at checkout. Not only will you receive a discount, but you'll be helping BADGE help our vets.
I did you a favor by fixing your vehicle. You're doing me a favor by buying soap, and Hero Soap Company's giving back to the soldiers. So it's a whole pay forward thing. This means a lot to me. As you know, I was in the airborne for 9 years. I believe in the soap. I've tried it. It works awesome, and that's why I'm doing this.
Hey everyone, this is Saucy the Towboat Chef. Well, today is the drawing, and a lot of people are going, what drawing? We didn't get no notification of you doing a drawing. Oh, but you did. See, there was a method to my madness. Sunday's premiere. I didn't say anything in the title, and I didn't say anything in the description. But I did say something at the end. And I was supposed to also post something after that. Well, needless to say, that part did get posted. But you know what? To those people that still watch my video, watch this premiere even later, they messaged me, or they emailed me, or they sent me a text, or they called me. Those were the ones that also got into this drawing. Now I'm going to show you the clip that of what I said at the end, but I'm also then going to post what was supposed to be at the end as well, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, glad you stayed to the end because I got a special thing going. All right, here it is. I have a little short clip here of some very famous people. You won't see the people, but you'll see the building that they have. And this building has been in their shows quite often. So, with that said, I gave you a couple hints on who it is, and I want you all to try and guess it. But there's another reason why I didn't say nothing in the description or in the title regarding this ending, because I want to see how many people really watch my videos to the end. I know a method to my madness here. No, I want to see if people are really watching my videos to the end, or if they just only watch a few minutes and then make a comment. So that's fine, make your comment. But in reference to the ending here, if you watched it all the way to the end, for the people that watch this later, and you do not, and I will repeat again, do not comment anything about the ending, okay? The ending part is for, I want you to email me to get your name in the drawing. If you comment, and I see the comment regarding the ending, I will delete that comment and disqualify you. You don't want to be disqualified. You want better chances of you winning. So, do not say anything. Let's keep it a secret. And all those ones that were in the live chat all the way to the end, you automatically get your name in the drawing. And I want to thank you all for sticking around with me and going through this premiere. I love you all. You all are the best. And again, I'm going to state one last time, do not comment anything regarding the ending of this video in the comments section. If you want your name in the drawing, you must email me, and you need to describe the building and or give me the answer, and I'll put your name down. All right, people. Good luck to everyone. I love you all for supporting this channel and being there for me while I'm on the boat at this time. It's going to be a long ride. So with that said, I want to say, see you up the river, down the river, or down the road. Bye-bye. Hey people, do you recognize that building? When these trucks get out of the way and all this traffic, that orange sign, let me give you a hint. Tick. And they're American. Okay, welcome back. And now you see what everybody was supposed to have done was to answer the question of what was in that little clip at the end there. And if you also haven't guessed, they're very famous people. I believe they're on the Discovery Channel, and they're called the American Pickers. Yep, that is these guys right up here. And I'll tell you what, that building has been in quite a few of their shows, and it was pointed out to me, and I looked it up, and yep, that is the building. So, but anyways, because the ones that were in the premiere to the end, there at the end, they all qualified automatically because they stayed with me, or they text messaged me, or they emailed me later if they came in later, and then they even told me about parts of the video in the beginning and or the middle or something to that effect to prove to me that they watched the video. So those people's names are as follows here. All right, I've already cut them up because I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way. See this clear bowl here? Okay, let me move this out of the way. Let's see if you can see that clear bowl, because you got to see it going in. Okay, let me lay it down so I can draw one at a time and show you. The first one is Imperfect Lioness. Okay, I'm going to fold you up, put you in here. The next one, the grumpy old Gringo Senior. Is there a junior? Let me know. Not that I care. Personally, I just curious. Does that stand for senior? So there must be a junior. All right. Let's see. Fold this up. Marilyn Monroe. Just so you know, I got all of y'all's name down. Zeus Phillips. There you go. Bowser's Towboat channel. And if you saw my video the other day, you were seeing a short clip that he did a video of my boat with his drone. He does awesome drone work. Go check it out. You might see me. I'll post a link up here at the top to his channel. Next page, PJ. Awesome girl. She's a sweetie. Dottie Bishop, my sister from another mister. Y'all stick it together because we don't want to miss somebody. Okay. Carrie Joe. There you go. Marilyn Darling. Such a darling. Red Grimes, my cousin. RV Rebel Girl, my Carolyn. Just Watching, which, by the way, I love that name. I never told you that. I love that name. Just Watching. My bro, Strong's Adventures. Trisha Burbank. Last but not least, Mayhem. Okay, now you've already seen what the first prize, second prize, and third prize is. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw for third prize first. Okay? All right. Marilyn Monroe. Now, you just have to tell me which ones you want. The stainless steel or the silicone. Get together with me, girl. Lay you there. Second prize. Zeus Phillips. That's the chef's hat and the apron. Comes in different colors. I'll get together with you. You let me know if you want my name on it or yours. First prize goes to Next Page PJ. Now, so that's one of these headsets here. Hey, it's great for videoing, and you can hear great. It sounds great, or at least tell me, does it sound great? Because this phone's quite a few feet away. But yep. All right, y'all contact me, and we'll go from there. Now, and I'll discuss the options with each one of the prizes. All right, now I just want to let everybody know I'm coming up to 1,000 subscribers, and of course I'm going to do 1,000 subscriber giveaway, but I'm not going to let you know when. I'm not going to advertise it. Thus, I'm going to do the same thing that I just did with my premiere. I'm going to put it at one of the end of my videos. Thus, or I may put it in the middle, or I might put it in the beginning. You never know. I might say, okay, there's a prize giveaway, and then say, but I'll let you know about it later. I might do this. See, it pays to watch my videos, and watch them all the way to the end, because you never know when it could be rewarding. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I want to reward everybody. So as I grow more giveaways are going to be done. I believe in rewarding everybody if I can, and I will. All right, people, you all have been awesome. You've been great so far. So I love each and every one of you. I'm glad I make you laugh. I'm glad you enjoyed my videos. Oh, and thank you again to all the new subscribers from Bowser's Towboat channel. You all are awesome, and I appreciate you all coming by and subscribing. But let me just say this, and trust me, you won't hurt my feelings. If for any reason this is not your type of channel and you really don't watch it, that's fine. I understand that, because some people enjoy my type of videos and some people don't. I want people that really would like to stay and be entertained by my way, the way I do things. I screw up, I laugh, I have a good time, and if it's a really bad day, I can't stop laughing. And trust me, watch my other videos, especially the days I went camping and it rained. Ask everybody. I laughed through the whole thing. Alright, anyways, I want to thank you all for watching this channel again. If you're new to my channel, click on that subscription button. Click on that little bell. Leave a thumbs up and leave a comment, and I will respond. Introduce yourself. I love to talk to new people also. All right, you all have an awesome, awesome day. I want to say I'll see you up the river, down the river, or down the road. Bye-bye.